Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Evil Crossover back with another review video, and this is for the ANDELI electric screwdriver, a precision screwdriver. They were kind enough to send this over for review purposes. So let's get right into it. So I've never had an electric screwdriver before. This is gonna be a first for me, and I gotta say, the packaging is super nice. Look at this. It tells you what bits are in here. Shows you a nice presentation of how it's going to look. And it's really heavy. This is a beautiful case it comes in. It's so heavy. Like, look at all these bits. Look at all the bits that comes in this. It just keeps going. Look at it. Wow. There's so many bits in here. And it has a little spring action. Wow, that's really nice. So like I said, it's pretty heavy. So we have a couple things here that we're going to try to open up with the screwdriver here. But what else comes in here? USB-A to USB-C charging cable. So you got to charge it. Don't forget to charge it. And a little instruction manual, just really telling you what the lights are and up and down on the screwdriver itself. So let's take it out and see what's going on. Wow, this is really nice. Now let's see. It says to push this down. Wow. It's just like, this is so cool. I've never seen a screwdriver presentation like this. Let's do it again. You push down, it pops open. Now, does it come out easily? Oh yeah, just flip it like that. And wow. Let's see if it has any battery. Wow, this is really snappy. And it has an LED light. So when you're trying to look at if it's a little small little space and you need some light, has it there. Wow, this is really nice. Okay, this looks like a speed of how fast you want to go. So let's see. Wow, this was slow. Now this is okay. So that's cool. So yeah, it definitely tells you here what all the speeds are. So we were on, okay, so red, high gears, red, mid gears, yellow, blue gears, low gear. So, oh yeah, so the top is high, mid, low. Okay. So, and it gives us an extender here too. So it has like a little precision one down here, or just, oh, this looks like a little tweezer. Comes with like a little tweezer, a little, ooh, okay. So it does have one of these too, to pry open some hard to reach spots. You know, when you got to pop up some plastic or something like that. So that's cool that it comes with that. Look at this extender. Or is this extender tip? Yeah, we definitely got to take a look at this and see what this is. Or maybe that goes with something else. Wow, this is really nice. All right, let's see what we can open up here. Let's try first this little expert here. Let's see if we can unscrew the battery out of this with these here. So let's find the bit here. And it tells you if it's plus, and it tells you the names right on here. You might not be able to see it here, but you can. So PH1. So let's see if it's a PH1 here. Now they're easy to come out. I thought they were going to be stuck on there, but it looks like they're like more magnetized than anything. Well, they are magnetized. And they go right on there. Okay, cool. So let's see, put it right in. That's nice. Light is on here. That's cool. Let's see. Let's go reverse. Wow, that was quick. 2 seconds. 2 seconds for the reverse. All right, now let's go forward. Boom. Wow, that is quick. Wow, I'm surprised. This is really good. Turn off the light there. And again, these are magnetized. So the only thing I would worry about is, you know, just hitting it by accident or just slamming it down. Who knows if they're just going to fall off. So just be careful on that. But yeah, because I'm just touching them and then they're coming out. But at least I like it like this better than having to, you know, try to fight to take out one of these. Like some other ones are, you got to just like pry with your fingernails to try to get these things out, and then it's so hard to get out. I wonder if I just go like this. You can do that too, but at least with these you could just grab it easily and then boom. So that's cool. Let's see, it has a Torx in here, I believe. So let's see what we got in here. What else? Also, look, that was for this over here. Okay, that's cool. So yeah, it does look like it has a little Torx in here. Let's see if I can find one for this. And they're numbered too, so if you forget which numbers they are. 2, 5, 6, 7. Okay. I don't know if it's just going to work here. We're just going to try. This looks like it might work. Whoop. Hey, that happens sometimes, right? When you're trying to do stuff. So let's see. I just want to see if I got the right one here. It might be a little bit smaller than you need. Okay, it's coming out. That's pretty good. That was pretty fast too. Let's get it back in there. All right. So that's cool. This is a must-have. Definitely pick this up. Definitely pick this up to have all the bits that you need at your fingertips, and then everything goes back in nice and lovely right in here. Then gets closed up. And then goes back in here. Push it right in. Boom. Wow. Get the ANDELI electric screwdriver. And we're going to catch you on the next review.